With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Here the question is, according to which theory is the given statement correct? Okay, statement is B and T cells having receptors for self-antigens undergo programmed cell death. Okay, here we have to discuss about this statement and out of the following option, which theory to which theory this statement belongs. Okay, we have to discuss that out of the following options, to which theory the statement belongs. Okay, options are: first, somatic mutation theory; second is programmed senescence theory; third is wear and tear theory; and fourth is immunological theory. Okay, as we know that the B and T cells, it has the activity of mitochondria, which stops, right? Which stops when it gets stops some own receptors of B and T cells gets activated for self antigen, right? Own receptors gets activated for self antigen, which means what? For self antigen, which means that the body uses, the B and T cells uses to get rid of the method which is used by the body to get rid of abnormal cells. Okay, to get rid of abnormal cells. Okay, by its death. Okay, by its death through apoptosis. Okay, which method is also known as, this is known as programmed cell death. Okay, it is known as programmed cell death. Okay, here we have to explain that out of the following option, according to which theory this statement is correct. Okay, basically this statement is correct according to the theory known as programmed senescence theory. Okay, it is programmed senescence theory. Okay, now let's discuss the option. Here, the first option is somatic mutation theory. Okay, this option is incorrect, as the somatic mutation theory persists that the accumulation of mutation in the genetic material of somatic cells, which functions as the decrease in the cellular function. Okay, decrease in the cellular function. Okay, therefore this option is incorrect. The second option is programmed cell theory, which is correct here, as it explains this statement. Okay, the correct option, but let's also discuss the other option. Okay, third is wear and tear theory. Okay, this theory, the wear and tear theory, says that the effects of aging are caused by progressive damage. Okay, the effects of aging are caused by what? Are caused by progressive damage. Okay, therefore this option is also incorrect here. And the last option given here is immunological theory. Okay, what it is? Immunological theory. This immunological theory says that the process of human aging is a is in fact a mid and generalized form, right? As the age increases, the immune system becomes weak. Okay, the immune systems becomes weak. Okay, therefore, our correct answer will be the second option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.